and welcome to this week's edition of Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Queensland University of Technology professor Lydia Morawska will lead a new $5 million training centre to reduce airborne infections through improved indoor air quality. It will be known as the Australian Training Research Council's, here we go, it's a mouthful, Training Centre for Advanced Building Systems Against Airborne Infection Transmission. Morawska said researchers have been calling for a public health revolution in relation to indoor air quality, especially since the advent of COVID. Professor Morawska will be speaking at the upcoming ARBS exhibition in Melbourne. This week has been the first sitting week of Parliament, and the federal government has introduced the Climate Change Bill 2022. The bill is symbolic of Australia's shift when it comes to climate change policy, and actually mandates our target to reduce emissions by 43% by 2030. Introducing the bill to the lower house, Climate Change Minister Chris Bowen said enough time has been wasted delaying action on climate change. While the bill is welcome news, the Greens Party want a commitment from the government that it will not approve any more coal or gas projects. Measuring indoor carbon dioxide levels is a simple way to assess whether an area is being adequately ventilated. The National Institute of Standards and Technology has released a free online tool that provides building professionals with CO2 readings. The application computes CO2 levels depending on the user's desired ventilation rate, as well as details about the building and its inhabitants. The tool can detect poor conditions that could lead to the accumulation of harmful contaminants. Okay, finally, the French government is introducing fines for air-conditioned shops that leave their doors open to the street. Shops will be fined €750 or 1,400 Australian dollars if the door's left open while air conditioning or heating is left on. The fines will not apply to restaurants, bars or cafes, just shops. Similar laws already exist in New York and have been in operation for a number of years. Our digital edition of CCN's 100-page preview of the upcoming ARBS exhibition is now available online. Feel free to go and check it out. You may have noticed that we've been providing ARBS updates on a daily basis. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.